Guys, so do you like PKXD? Today I'm going to show you how to get a PKXD modded version. So this will give you unlimited gems. So let me just max it out right here, and as you can see I've got 800 gems right now. So the gems should start rising, and then I'm going to show you how to download this PKXD modded version for your phone. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get PKXD free gems. So as you can see, it should start rising, and there we go. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. So the first thing we're going to do is type in this website. So this is the website, guys, where you can get PKXD mod. So once you find it, press install, and before this downloads there's going to be a verification. All right, so what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. 100% free from official app store. So once you do this, the PKXD mod will be downloaded into your phone, and then you'll be able to do unlimited gems option, which is super wild. So I'm just going to wait for this to load, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to load up, and we should be good to go. So as you're going to see in a moment, it's going to say like missing files. So basically we have to download 2 of these apps from the list. They're completely free. So we have Family Island, which says reach level 10, and then we have the Mode Casino. This one says install the app and open it. So just make sure you download like 2 of these, and then you should get the PKXD modded version for unlimited gems. So it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, and peace out.